In this episode, you will see removing first layer of living room ceiling and fully taking down the kitchen ceiling. A lot of dirt. Let's go. Good morning and welcome back to another video. Today, as you saw, it's pretty rainy outside, so we have to make potatoes. For our goaties, we have also a lot of potatoes because the grass is wet and we don't want them to happen anything. We boil the potatoes nicely. Professional gloves. Who cares about that one? And let's get to smushing.
Are you gonna put the milk as well in there?
No, they're gonna get milk in the evening.
Okay.
They could actually eat it like that because I've made it small pieces, but sure.
Just smush it a bit.
Yeah. With our professional smoosher. Let's go to the crazy house. Ooh, it looks like rain is coming back or left. Oh, let's go fast before they see us. Oh, nope. Oh, it's hot though.
Oh, don't give it hot. Leave it outside to cool down.
Sorry, girls.
Cold? Cold enough?
Still a bit warm.
Well, a bit warm is okay.
Yeah. And then potatoes. Yum, 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 yum. Oh, potatoes, potatoes. Go, go, go. Move your butts. No, you open your feet. Oh my god.
Did you put it?
Yeah. Is it yummy? Is it yummy? Yeah, a bit hot maybe.
Put more. Put all of it.
It's a bit hot, girls. It's okay. Oh, don't step in it. She's moving it like that.
And you just made them clean and now you're making them all dirty.
No, poopy feet. Look, the potatoes are eating the potatoes. The chickens are eating the potatoes. We got dressed in our dirty and working clothes. And let's clean everything up. And that was the last station of cleaning up, pretty much. We have to take now the cooker, the oven, and some tiny things that are up there, and those things. But rather than that, it looks like whenever we came in, we have cleaned everything, because we don't want anything to get dirty. So we need to take that, things, and then we can start ripping the ceiling down.
Ready, set, go! We're gonna start now with this corner and move slowly all around to take this first layer off and see what's going on up there. What we need to do if it's just wood or, well, we don't know. Actually, it's just a mystery. So let's just get started.
I don't want the ceiling to fall all on us. Can you make that possible?
They're pretty nice woodies.
What is that there for? Oh, that's why it's there.
That's what's coming. Oh, that's why it's there.
That's beautiful.
Why did you leave that? I love when stuff falls on my head. What do you think?
What is that? That's not called.
They cleaned it up for us fully. The woods are cleaned up, all the small stickies as well. I mean, bad that we don't get stickies, but a lot of work saved.
You don't need to shower today.
No, I don't. I'm showering now. I see that this is going to be really a painful job.
Ah! Ow. doing. It was actually only the carton thing, the wood, thin wood. There's no plasterboarding or any woods, which actually saves us a lot of work, I must say. Well, we're a bit sad that we don't have woods for fire, but we have a lot for that. So, he's finished full this one and that one. This one though, doesn't have wood on top. Has like barely any.
Yeah, there's like one grub missing.
Yeah, well, that's what how we want to do it anyways. They're super thin as well, you see? They're like chips. Super thin. So he's gonna go ahead and do the next one. As far as he gets, like here, super easy, I would assume.
Yeah, this
like
is gonna be easy.
This one's our fat woods though. So that's gonna be quite a work. And I've been doing the wall inside. I can come and show you. You can come. I finished this wall fully. I have done all the bottom, and now I have started from here till here somewhere. Oh, I cannot do it that fast because I cannot breathe. It's getting so with the mask, and there's no wind flow, nothing. So I have like every 2 lines I have to take my mask off to breathe, and I'm sweating. So keep going, and you're gonna see David doing it. You have seen me too many times doing this job, and it's the same thing over and over. So
feeling good.
it's coming down. It's coming down. Coming down.
Film it. Is that what I think it is?
No, don't bring it close to me.
Oh, it's still.
Baba, don't bring it close to me. It's disgusting.
Baba, it's moving. I will now clean up the clay and throw it all downstairs. Only for the kitchen. Then we'll move on to the bedroom. Just to get one room done.
Shouldn't you not do first this room? Because then you cannot walk. But whatever.
Who cares? I think this is the wall, so I'm thinking here. I have a feeling this is a lot smaller layer. Fuck, is that a pillow? Yep, here it starts.
Okay, go. Oh, did you close the door? Oh, so smart we are. Just taking everything on the side so it doesn't get dusty.
And making it all dusty.
But we forget to close the door.
Echo to Clisto brain.
Clisto brain. Nice. Is that gonna
Feeling
help?
good. Like I should.
Not. Okay, I see you. Uh-oh. What is going on? And I think it's time for me to leave that place.
Yeah, I think so. I lock you in, you know that.
I can come all around.
Okay, go.
Oh my god.
So we're going step by step. We have taken out that part, take all the woods away and all the clay away. Now we're doing this line We have everything down. Now we're gonna take the woods away, and then the clay away, and then the next and the next.
Yeah.
Slowly, slowly, but we're gonna finish the kitchen definitely today. And tomorrow we do the living room.
Not all of it.
We'll see how fast it
Amazing,
goes.
very good. Like that, it goes actually pretty fast.
Yeah, it's very tiring, but yeah, it does.
I guess we have to go back out.
Dust. Okay, it's on top now.
Two more. One more big one.
Like 3 more left.
Oh, okay, then give them. Really? That sounds like
Like an atomic bomb.
Yeah.
Like a cloud. So look at our kitchen. Here we do water. Here water comes out. I could test it, but no scary. We're lucky that not something didn't fall and open
Oh
it up.
yeah.
And I wouldn't see actually, yeah, it's ridiculously large amounts fell down.
Okay.
But yeah, this is the last clay that needs to be done. All the woods we already got rid of.
Yeah.
We have nice open view. Gonna keep it like this, I think.
Yeah,
like
definitely. No, we're just
Kinda
joking.
cool, kinda cool.
We're joking.
Kinda cool, kinda cool, kinda cool.
It looks like it's burning upstairs again. Okay, let's finish this.
And this is my legs after all this work.
What is that?
My leg.
What is that?
My leg.
What is on that
It broke.
feet?
It's my leg.
Oh!
It broke. God damn it.
By the way, we found a lot of cool things here.
Yeah, it's like the coolest room.
Hmm.
Here's a can of beans.
That's disgusting.
Oh, it's paint. Oh, it still has its sticker on. That's an old paint. Sniff it. Sniff it, sniff's nice. This is like some nice chemicals.
No, I don't want to sniff it.
Actually, it has a nice taste.
You tried it?
I've not tried it yet. Later, we'll try with the soup.
We have 9:30 or something, and we went to the shop and bought a bag full of ice creams and dumplings, but mostly fruit. Oh, here's your dumplings for now.
Yeah. Okay.
Put them down. Like that. So we got this ice creams. It's gonna be an ice cream haul. So first, got this.
You didn't show them.
So this one is with, I don't know how to
Gooseberries?
gooseberries. 2 of these. Then I bought just chocolate, simple. We bought from each thing 2, because we're 2 people. Raspberry ones. Lemon ones. Oh, come on in. This one.
No idea what they're called.
No idea what they're called. Blue cocktail. Is that a blue cocktail?
What's that, with grapes or something?
I don't know, it's like with orange. It's like a cocktail but in ice cream. This one's.
Red currant.
Ah, this one we bought only one because everybody was screaming that we bought too much. This one. This one. It's just nuts. The same one. Oh, not there's the other blue cocktail. This is a very good ice cream. This ice cream is 65 cents or something. It was. Oh, this one. Don't know if I showed that one. And this one. And this one. More dumplings.
The top.
Yeah, dumplings on the top. And last but not least, a box of ice cream.
So, box of ice cream and dumplings and all those tiny ice creams. How much did it cost?
15 euros. A full, it's literally a full box of ice creams. Pretty good.
And a box of ice creams, which is like a liter, and a kilo of dumplings.
Yep. So, now we are starving. So, let me show you how far we got actually. This bag needs to go back in the car. So, that's how far we have got. Well, you probably have already seen that we cleaned it all up. Cleaned all the floor. Congratulations to us, we have done a lot of work. Very good, to David and me. No, Only we understand how painful it is.
Yeah, but now we have a nice view.
Yeah.
We can see the upstairs.
The sink was actually full, as you saw probably. We have cleaned it up as much as.
What are you doing?
I don't know. We'll put it somewhere else.
It's our thingy. We left it there.
No.
Oh no, it's not
We
ours.
never had that one. We had this
Oh,
one.
it's somewhere in the ground.
So we're gonna make food. Oh, by the way, let me show you how good the door is sealing. All the dust that was coming was till here in the front. That was sliding down.
Just the bottom,
Nothing
yeah.
on the top at all. Nothing on the top. So we just need to vacuum clean that for today. Because I really don't have the part for anything else. And we're gonna make food. Yeah. Should I end it?
Yeah.
So, and this girl here was sleeping all day. And you will know us all night again, no? So tell them, Evie, tell them goodbye. And tell them how annoying you will be now, because you want food.
She's confused. What the hell? Why can I see up?
Oh, what is it, Evie? Look. Look up. Okay. Hope you enjoyed. She's so confused. And I'm gonna see you next time. Evie, no, there. Here's the camera. There. Girly. She's so confused about the ceiling. Look at that. You wanna go up? Go! Go! Touch the ceiling! Evie. Oh. Oh. Go.
She's annoyed.